Okay, everyone. So, Siddhartha Sir this side, and we are going to study Egyptian civilization. I'm preparing this video for all of you so that you can go through this video and prepare yourself before we continue after the vacations. You will find this video on YouTube. I have created a channel as Leaders Academy, and you can find this video on the YouTube, okay, as Egyptian civilization. Though we have done some part of the Egyptian civilization in the class, but I would like to start this again completely, right? So it will be in some parts. It won't be in a stretch. It will be in parts. Okay, so the topic that is the Egyptian civilization. Okay, please mind my handwriting, but I think I'm writing it quite clear. So Egyptian civilization. What is a civilization? The first thing that we should know, the first question that comes into our mind, that what is civilization? Okay. Now, the word civilization, this word is actually, we can call it as the advanced stage of human evolution with complex society. Now, advanced stage and complex society. Now, if I'm saying complex society, here complex society means a society which has, you can say like a political setup, then religion, then culture, traditions. Now, if I say advanced, it means developed tech, technology. So civilization is a stage, is an advanced stage of human's evolution with complex society. That means they have a political system, they have a religion, they have a culture, they have a tradition, and advanced means they have developed technology. So this is the meaning of civilization. If we talk about the civilizations of the world, so the major civilizations, the major of the world. Now we have one like Harappan. This one is in India. Okay. Then Mesopotamian. Then we have Chinese. So we are going to study all these civilizations. But as per the syllabus, we're going to study Egyptian civilization first, and we're going to study Mesopotamian, then Chinese, and Harappan we're going to study at last, because Harappan is synchronized with the Vedic age. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you what is civilization. Now, coming to Egyptian civilization, as most of the civilizations, they are always located, they flourished on the banks of river. So this civilization flourished on River Nile. This flourished on River Nile, and this is the longest river. Okay, and Egyptian, it says that it's a part of the Egypt. A few things that was said, like Herodotus. Now this Herodotus called Egypt as the gift of Nile. Now, why? Because Nile is the only river that flows through the desert. Now, why it was the only source of water. Okay. Now, this source of water helps in transportation. Then it helps in fishing. Then irrigation, etc. So this is the reason why this River Nile is known as the gift. Sorry, Egypt is known as the gift of Nile, right? Because Nile had some. Now, after the study, after when the historians have studied about, they have done lots of research work, the lots of excavation were done. They have divided the whole Egyptian civilization, this whole thing, into three parts. It started with the Old Kingdom, then the Middle Kingdom, and the New Kingdom. So a time period of this Old Kingdom was said that beginning was 3000 to 2000 BCE. The Middle Kingdom flourished from around 2000 to 1700 BCE. And the New Kingdom is believed to be, from 1600 to 1100 BCE. So, BCE. So this is we're going to study about the three parts. It's a basic introduction, not in detail. Now the Old Kingdom, some facts about the Old Kingdom. Now this Old Kingdom, the time period, as we know, it was 3000 to 2000 BCE. BCE, and their capital was Memphis. Their capital was Memphis, that is near Cairo, right? And then it's believed that most of the pyramid construction was done in this. Okay, so this was the Old Kingdom. Then the Middle Kingdom. It says 2000 to 1700 BCE. And this is the time where major development in art and science. Okay. And it is believed that high cost nomadic tribe attacked and defeated. Okay. So this was the Middle Kingdom, and coming to the New Kingdom. Time period says 1600 to 1100 BCE. The most advanced stage, Egyptian power was Egyptian power was at its zenith, right? And they captured many parts of this. So now this was the last, New Kingdom was the last phase of the Egyptian civilization. And thereafter, they were attacked by some other kingdoms like the Babylonians, the kingdoms from Alexander attacked. Finally, in 332 BCE, Alexander the Great of Macedonia, they attacked and founded the city of Alexandria. After the death of Alexander, one of his general, Ptolemy, and his descendants ruled over Egypt. Ptolemy was there. He was Egyptian king. Okay, the Ptolemy is the last phase. That means you can say after Alexander's death was ruled by Ptolemy. Okay, and the last Ptolemy and the last of Ptolemy's descendants, and after Ptolemy there was a great queen, that is Queen Cleopatra, who actually married Julius Caesar, was the last. Okay, and after that the Romans attacked. The Romans attacked. See, Julius Caesar was murdered, and Romans attacked Egypt. Okay, so and the Egyptian civilization came to it, right? So now we have done a lots of introductory part. So we learned about what is civilization. Okay, so Egyptian civilization, what is civilization, and advanced stage of human evolution and all. Then we read about the location. Then we read about Egyptian, the Middle Kingdom and all. So it was an introductory part, right? And now comes the questions that can be asked. So let us write down a few questions. Where did Egyptian civilization flourish? Sorry, let me flourish. Then who called Egypt the gift of Nile. Then you can also say, why is Egypt called the gift of Nile? Then coming to a few more questions that can be written, like what are the three phases of Egyptian civilization? Okay, then you can say civilization mention the time periods. Okay, then was last ruler of Egypt? Okay, then who ruled Egypt after Alexander's death? Okay, then you can say, name the capital of the old kingdom. Okay, then this. So these are few questions that you should always study history with making of short questions. Then one more question that you can make is, who invade Middle Kingdom? Who invaded Middle Kingdom? Okay, so these are few questions that can be made, and you can make up few more questions with whatever I have told you. So I log off for this video. Okay, this is the first part, the introductory part of the Egyptian civilization, and thereafter we're going to move ahead with the political life, the society, and other things. Thank you very much. Please do watch it.